Hello, all right, this is Ufoma, and in this video I want to show you how to gain access into your virtual computer, your virtual server. So the way to gain access into your virtual server is through an SSH protocol, and one of the videos you will see, one of my videos, how to create an SSH key pair, right? A key pair for SSHing into your remote server. So we'll go ahead straight away and launch into our server. So I'll take this new instance, right? You select your instance, that's the first thing you do. And then in your instance, here you have your public IP, you select your public IP, you go to your terminal. In your terminal, you need to CD to the location of your key pair, and in your system, in your local computer, you need to CD into that very location from where you can SSH into your key pair. So if I ls this, I see that I have one key pair there. I have another key pair here. So let me use this one, right? I can decide to use this key pair, right? So what I need to do here is you use SSH, that's the protocol, in an interactive mode, then the key pair name .pem. Always remember to put the file type, and then what kind of AMI are you using? Are you using Red Hat? Are you using Amazon? If it's Amazon, then you should be using EC2 user, right? If it's Debian, Ubuntu, you need to use Ubuntu. So I'm using Debian Ubuntu. So Ubuntu at your public IP, the one we copied earlier. And then you hit enter, you hit yes, and that's the way to SSH into your EC2 instance. If you think this video is informative and you like what you just learned, put a comment below. You do me a great favor if you subscribe and hit the like button, and let me know what you want me to create next. Thank you. Bye.